Today, we're testing SUNTECH's brand new generation of AGV fabric handling vehicles, redefining the automated textile workshop. Ultra-compact body, inherently flexible. Achieves automatic fabric doffing and unmanned transportation, maintaining powerful performance even under heavy loads. Utilizes mature magnetic strip navigation, offering simple, efficient, and reliable path planning. Beyond magnetic navigation, we support a wider range of technology options. Laser navigation, QR code navigation, and visual navigation. We also support hybrid navigation modes to adapt to different factory layouts. Multiple safety protections, including a laser obstacle avoidance system. Combined with emergency stop protection, it ensures operational safety. Increase efficiency and save costs, starting with automated fabric handling.